All right, I'm recording right now. Thank you, Reed, for introducing us. I appreciate it. All right, let's get started. So we're going to go over this question, which is from the Piecewise Functions Review number 6. All right, and we want to make 3 tables. Now, it's your call on what you put for the y value in each table. I prefer to put the actual pieces of the piecewise function. If that doesn't work for you, that's fine. So what is happening with this first column here?
Negative x.
Negative x. All right, the next y value column in the next table?
Negative 4.
Nice. And the last one?
5x minus 2.
Awesome. So I always do that first. Again, if you'd rather do x and y, that's fine. Let's think about values that are less than or equal to negative 4. What are values less than or equal to negative 4?
Negative 5.
Also negative 4, right? Negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. Everybody good with that? What's the opposite of all of those values?
The positive.
Very good. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Let's do the next one. What are values between negative 4 and 1?
0.
So I am going to, somebody said, Lawson said negative 4. I'm going to put it in there, right? But just know that, is it technically in there?
No.
It's open circle.
Very good. So I'm going to put negative 4, but I'm going to put a little open circle.
And 1.
All right. And when I get to 1, so negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, and 1. And that one also is going to be open. JD, you are correct. Okay. Now, what do you notice about the top of the y value column in this second one? It's always negative 4, right? So all I have to do for all of the y values is put negative 4. Okay. Now the last one, I'm looking for values that are greater than or equal to 1.
1.
2, 3, 4. Awesome. Let's plug those in. 5 times 1 is 5 minus 2, 3. 5 times 2 is 10. Minus 2 is 8. Do you see why I'm increasing by 5? Because what is 5? What is it's when it's times x, what's that called?
Multiple.
Oh, really? Nope. It's the slope. Right. Right, just slope. So I'm just increasing by 5 every time. Right? From algebra 1? Okay. All right, let's plot this. All right, I'll use pink for this first one. So pink, I have negative 4, 4, negative 5, 5. And you can use those points, or what was the slope of this piece here?
Negative x. Let's just go
The slope.
Down 1.
The slope.
Negative 1.
Negative 1. So I'm going up 1
Down.
and left 1, right? Up 1, left 1. So I could keep going if I wanted to. All right? I'm going to make my piece. Now, Adelaide, we talked about this with yours. Notice I just have one arrow there going to the left forever, not to the right, because when I get to past this, I'm jumping to another piece of the function, okay? Now, this one I'll use orange, okay? Now, all of these are going to be y values of negative 4. So what kind of line will that look like? A horizontal, very good. All lines are straight. So I'm going to do negative 4, 4. Oh, my goodness. So it's already closed there, right? So am I going to put an open on it? No, because if it's an open and close at the same spot, the close wins.
Wait, that's negative 4, negative 4.
Oh, my goodness, JD. Good thing you're here. You can ignore what I just said. What's it going to? I went too far. Where am I stopping? 1? Thank you. There I am. Awesome. Gosh, good job. Thank you. All right. Everybody good? Okay, the last piece. I'll use purple. All right. 1, 3, which is here. Why did I use close? Oh, I didn't put that on there? I'm sorry, guys. Do you know why I use close there?
Because it's greater than or equal.
The or equal to piece. So make sure you're doing a closed circle for 1, 3. Now, you could do all those points, but what was the slope of that last piece?
5.
It was 5. So I'm going to go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then over 1. Something like this. It is, but I'm not going to actually graph.
Oh, I see.
You know what I mean? Okay, I want to cover that back up.
Wait, is the first negative 4?
Oh, I won't do that.
closed?
One more time. Is
It's
the
like-
first...
Like on the first graph or chart. Is it closed?
Yes, because of this. You talking about that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it says or equal to. So it is closed right here.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So that was 2, 8, way up there.
I just don't understand when you know how to when to write the arrow.
So what Adelaide and I decided was if there's 3 pieces, the first piece will have the arrow going left, whether that's up, down, I don't know, right? The middle section won't have any arrows.
Okay.
And it could be closed or open. That depends on what I do with the inequality symbols. And the third piece will have the arrow going to the right,
Okay.
whether that's up, down, whatever. Okay?
Oh, you're always gonna make it like that?
Yes, right? Because we're starting like we're reading, so left to right. So here, jump to the next one if I have to, jump to the next one, forever. Cool?
So the middle one will always be one that you don't plug in the X for the Y.
Are you asking like, will this always be horizontal?
Yeah.
No, I could make that anywhere I wanted.
Oh, okay.
Right, that order will depend on what I actually write. Okay, good question. Okay, can we do the domain?
Yes.
What's the domain of what I've graphed?
Infinity to infinity.
Okay, do I see any issues? I see open here, but do you see how there's a close up at -4, comma, +4?
Closed one.
Same thing here at 1. I do have a close. So it is negative infinity to infinity. Okay, now here is why I wanted to make this video. What is the range? JD, want to give it a try?
The range would be -4 to.
Infinity.
Oh wait,
Ooh, I know, right? This is why I want to do this, JD.
it's like -4 and all the other stuff is like not there.
Yeah,
So
JD's.
brace.
Yes, JD, well done. This
Brace.
-4, do I have anything between -4 and +3?
No.
None of that is included. So if I had done -4, comma, to 3, I would have said that it's including all that, but I don't want to. So JD is correct. Well done. You should actually do a brace of -4, union. Now what do I want to do?
Then be +3 to infinity.
And how is that 3 going to be? I heard Liam say it. It is a closed circle. So bracket 3 to infinity.
Let's go.
That was sick. Well done. I'm impressed. Yes, Gabby. Okay, I love this, Gabby. All right. So Gabby is looking at the pink one, right? So if you look at the pink and the purple, they're almost identical for the range. What's the only difference between the pink and the purple?
Negative.
Hold on, I want Gabby to try. Sorry. Just the lowest number, right? The lowest number for the purple is 3 included, and the lowest number for the pink is 4. So if I do both of these, it would be redundant, right? The only thing that's different is I need to make sure to go a little bit farther down, which is why I wrote 3 for the purple one. If I do the range of the purple, that encapsulates the range of the pink one, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
So you don't need to think like, oh, I need 3 things because there's 3 pieces. Not necessarily. On a lot of these, the range would have been just one thing, all right? Even though there were 3 pieces. Okay. Everybody good? Okay. Should we do, yes, we got time. Let's do these 3 right here. Yeah, go ahead, JD.
-1 is -4.
Okay, so there's 2 ways to think of it. You look at the graph, all right? Look at your inequality symbols, all right? Where is -1 going to slot in? Is it less than or equal to -4? Is it between -4 and 1? Is it greater than or equal to 1?
Between.
The middle piece, right?
It's the middle piece.
All right, and when I do the middle piece, no matter what I plug in,
It's -4.
you get -4. Okay, not JD. Kaki, can you do the next one? F of 5. Which piece would I do if I want to do F of 5?
Greater than or equal to.
Nice, so that's going to be this piece. So when you plug in 5, what do you get?
23.
I want Kaki to do it right. That's her brain, okay. Thanks, Henry.
Stuff, man.
No worries. Okay, I'm going to change this last one. Can I change the last one? Okay, let's do this one. Sending now. Which one? Sophie, what would I plug in for -4? Where would I go? The top one?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it includes -4.
Excellent. This or equal to tells you you're going to use that one. And what is it when you plug it in?
4.
You get +4.
Let's go.
All right.
Oh, so you don't use the graph for those.
You totally can, right? I go to -1, right? F of -1. There's my graph at
These
-4.
are, like, for instance, we learned how to do it that way in case.
Both
you
ways are
hadn't
fine.
graphed it.
When you did those first 2 over there, you did it like algebraically. You can also do it graphically. Your call. Is everyone good? JD, question?